Hi and hello to all my students. Welcome to Technology and Livelihood Education online class. I'm Mrs. Gina M. Del Campo, your TLE teacher. From Home Economics area, we have household services. First topic is the use and maintenance of cleaning tools and equipment. For first quarter, Home Economics area, we have household services, exploratory course 7 and 8, week 1 and 2, topic, the use and maintenance of cleaning tools and equipment. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to use appropriate cleaning tools and equipment properly, prepare appropriate supplies and materials for cleaning different areas, observe safety measures, precautions in doing household services. To begin with, let us define household services. Refer to the daily tasks that most of us do around our homes. Nowadays, cleanliness is a very serious concern in order to have an environment that is conducive to healthy living. Our homes, working places, and the whole environment need proper sanitation for us to ensure a clean atmosphere where we can easily live. For Lesson 1, the use of appropriate cleaning tools, equipment, supplies, and materials. Cleaning tools and equipment. Dustpan is a cleaning tool commonly used to scoop the dirt and waste on the floor. Cleaning cloth is used to wipe the cleaning tools and equipment. Floor buffer is an electrical appliance that is used to clean and maintain non-carpeted floors such as hardwood, marble, tile, or linoleum. It is also known as floor polisher. Scrubbing foam is used to remove the contaminants of any tool and equipment. Dishcloth is used in the kitchen to dry dishes and other surfaces. Typically, they are made of cotton or other cloth, such as microfiber, and measure 11 inches to 13 inches square. Vacuum cleaner is a device that uses an air pump to create a partial vacuum to suck up dust and dirt, usually from floors and optionally from other surfaces as well. The dirt is collected by either a dust bug or a cyclone for later disposal. Broom is a cleaning implement for sweeping made of bundle of straws or twigs attached to a long handle. Water hose, a hollow tubes designed to carry fluids from one location to another. Hoses are also sometimes called pipes, or more generally tubing. The shape of a hose is usually cylindrical. Supplies and materials. We have water. It's a liquid used for cleaning most of the tools and equipment. It is also known as the universal solvent. Waste container is a container for temporarily storing refuse and waste. Baking soda, otherwise known as bicarbonate of soda or sodium bicarbonate, is used to deodorize refrigerators. Gloves is a garment that covers the whole hand of a person that performs household services. Liquid detergent is a detergent in liquid form used for cleaning tools and equipment. Paper towel is an absorbent textile made from paper instead of cloth, used in drying hands, wiping windows, dusting, and cleaning up spills. Cleaning detergent is a surfactant or a mixture of surfactants with cleaning properties and diluted solutions that is also used in cleaning purposes. Let's proceed to exercise number 1. Directions. Identify the following tools, equipment, supplies, and materials used in cleaning. Write your answer on a separate sheet of paper. Picture number 1, 2, 3, 4. I will give you 5 seconds to think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see if your answers are correct. Waste container, scrubbing foam, water hose, and gloves. Very good. Exercise number 2. Directions. Fill in the missing letters of each puzzle. Write your answer on a separate sheet of paper. Picture number 1. Fill in the missing letters. Number 2. Number 3. 4. 5. I will give you 5 seconds to think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's check if your answers are correct. Number 1, we have floor buffer, bucket, paper towel, liquid detergent, and water. Very good. Great job! For your performance test, you will be given a specific area to clean. Apply the proper usages of necessary cleaning tools, materials, and equipment. Areas to clean are bedroom, kitchen, and living room. Sample features of areas to clean: bedroom, kitchen, and living room. Actual demonstration of performance tasks: living room, bedroom, kitchen. That's all for today, class. I hope you enjoy our lesson. See you next time on another visual lesson. Again, this is Mom Gina saying goodbye. Thank you and God bless us all.